Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to lock your Snapchat app in your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, in order to lock your Snapchat, head over to your Play Store and then in search, type in App Locker. And then from here, you want to scroll down and click into App Lock by Cure Apps with over 10 million downloads. Go ahead and click into this and now click on install and give that a few moments to download and install. I'll pause this video and get back to you. Alright, it's downloaded and installed. So now what you want to do is go ahead and click on open, click on allow, click on start, and you'll come to this page here. So you've got a few different options. You can either unlock with fingerprint, number, or user pattern. So for this demonstration, I'm going to put in a number. Like so. And once you've done that, click on the tick button and then re-enter that PIN to confirm. You can add in an email, so if you ever lose your code, you can get the code sent to you to unlock the app again. I'm going to click on finish, and now what you need to do, it says here permission required, turn on draw over other apps permissions from settings. So click on grant permissions and then click on App Lock, enable that, like so, then head back. So that's done. Alright, now you want to search for Snapchat because you want to lock your Snapchat app. So Snapchat, there it is there. So if you click on the little lock button there, it's now locked. And now head back. As you can see, Snapchat's locked. So I'm going to go back and open up Snapchat. Before you need to do that, click on turn on app lock from settings. So now you need to enable app lock for this to work, and then grant permissions again. Click on app lock, go back, and as you can see, app lock enabled. So if I click out and now try and get into Snapchat, it will be locked. There you go. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to lock Snapchat using a PIN code. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.